Okay, here we go with all these tall buildings again. This is Kim from Reality Travel. And I'm in Melbourne. And, you know, I like tall buildings. I don't care. You get tired of seeing them, I'm sure. So we'll definitely get more things that are exciting, like that building's got some like green stuff on it. It looks like it could be some lines for Ghostbusters or something like that, but I'll go back that way. I just want to see what's down this way. What is that building there? It is the Melbourne. I'm gonna have to go up further. Melbourne something. I don't want just plain old plain pictures walking down the street, taking pictures of buildings and seeing people and getting ran over. I don't want that. Oh, what is that? Edivore College of Natural Health. Really cool. Still haven't gotten what this building is yet. I'm interested in knowing. That's okay. She wasn't watching where she was going. I wasn't watching. Could you live another life? 40 hours. Let me stand over here and get this. Could you live another life for 40 hours? Sure. Why not? And then it says, join the backpack challenge. We're with you. Oh, really? Cool. Okay. All right. Oh, I get it now. It is the Melbourne Institute of Technology. Cool. Good for you, Melbourne. Okay. This is Kim from Reality Travel. That's enough of that. Let's find something exciting. Here I'm in Melbourne, Australia. I guess you say being in Australia is exciting enough, right? Well, maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Okay.